To add an event to your Google Calendar, you can either tap on the red Create button or simply go to the date and time of the event and click on the calendar. In this case, I want to modify the event, so I'm going to click Edit right away. Name my meeting. Go ahead and add a location. When the full address is here, it'll also share a map with others. I can change the duration up here. In this case, I want just a 30-minute meeting. If I'm not sure about a time that'll work, I can also add my potential guests here. And this will show where our calendar events overlap to help me choose a time. In this case, I don't need to worry about that, but you can see my added guest does show up as a participant here. I can add an attachment for my meeting agenda. I'd like to set a second notification to receive an email the day before, so that if I want to modify anything on my event, I can make that update. Here I have some options on how I want the event to appear on my calendar for myself and for others. I can also reserve any additional rooms that I need for my event. In this case, I don't need to do that. And then when I'm ready with the way that my event is set up, I can go ahead and click Save. Here it's going to tell me that my Drive file isn't yet shared. So I have different options for sharing the link here, or I can just make it so that guests at my event can view. So if I don't want this to be a public document with anyone with a link, I can go ahead and select this option, share and save. It also gives me the option to email guests an invitation or just have it appear on their calendar. In this case, I want to notify my guests, so I'm going to click Send. And there you have it. Your event is on your calendar. The little timer indicates that there's a notification, and the profile picture indicates that there are guests invited.